Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following financial math question on sinking funds. Please don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. Kramer's Jam has to replace their canning machine in 10 years' time. Their current canning machine is valued at 270,000 rands and it depreciates at 17% per annum on the reducing balance. The price of a replacement machine increases by 12% per annum. The proceeds from the old machine when sold will be used in buying a replacement machine. Payments are made into the sinking fund on a monthly basis, and the first payment is made 1 month after the purchase of the original machine. The last payment is made at the end of the 10 years. We have to calculate the monthly payment into the sinking fund if the interest rate is 13.75% per annum compounded monthly. To calculate the monthly payment, we first of all need to calculate the budget. And to do that, we need the inflation value and the depreciation value. Starting with the depreciation value, we've been told that we are replacing the canning machine in 10 years' time. That's the duration of time, that's your N. And also the machine valued at 270,000, I've been told that it depreciates at 17% per annum on the reducing balance. So therefore, using the reducing balance formula, we have A equals P in bracket 1 minus the depreciation rate and then raised to the power of the total number of years. A is the depreciation value we are looking for. The P is the initial cost of the machine. That's what the value is. That's been given as 270,000 as given in the question. The depreciation rate is 17% and the number of years is 10 years. So substituting this value into our equation, we have A equals 270,000. 1 minus, the rate is 17%, that's 17 over 100. And that's 0.17 raised to the number of years, that's 10. Therefore, the depreciation value, A, if we multiply that out, would be 41,893.3112. I'm going to leave it as it is before I round up to 2 decimal places. The next step is to calculate my inflation value. So, to calculate the inflation value, we've been told from the question that the price of the replacement increases by 12%. So that's the inflation rate. So we have the formula A equals the initial worth of the machine before it's been replaced, that we have 1 plus I to the power of N. We have the A, which is the inflation value we're looking for. The P, the initial cost of the machine, which is 270,000. We have the inflation rate, that's been given as 12% per annum. And then we have, because the machine will be replaced in 10 years' time, so that's your N is 10 years. So putting those value in, we have A equals 270,000 in bracket 1 plus, changing 12%, we have 12 over 100, that's 0.12 to the power of 10. Therefore, your inflation value will be 839,579.0163. So the next step is to calculate a budget using the inflation value and the depreciation value. And therefore, we have that as 838,579.0163 minus 41,893.3112. And if you subtract that, we're going to have 796,685.71 cents. I've rounded up to 2 decimal places. Now that we have a budget, we're going to use that to calculate what the monthly payment into the sinking fund will be if the interest rate is 13.75% per annum compounded monthly. We need to always note in what form the money will be paid back. So we've been told that it's compounded monthly. So we have the formula as F equals X multiplying in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 all over I. So for each variable, we have F to be equal to the future value accumulated or the budget. And in this case, that's 796,685.71. Our X is the monthly repayment, which is the value we are looking for. Then we have our I, which is the rate of interest per month. So we have that as 13.75%. Note that we've been told that it's been compounded monthly. So that means the number of payments that will be made per month is 12. So we need to split that up in 12 places. So we have also our N, which is the number of payments made. So to calculate the number of payments, we have 12 payments made in a year because it's compounded monthly. And then we have for 10 years. So that will be 12 times 10. So putting all this value back into our equation, we have 796,685.71 equals X into bracket. We have 1 plus our interest, that's 13.75%. That will be 0.1375, dividing that by 100, over the number of payments made in a year. That's 12 payments because it's been compounded monthly. To the power of how many payments will be made. That's 12 payments per year for 10 years, minus 1, close bracket, all over I. So we have 0.1375, the rate per the number of payments made in a year. So if you punch that in, we have 796,685.71 equals X times 255.2096. Therefore, a monthly payment into our sinking fund, that's X, will be equal to, dividing both sides by 255.2096, we have in rands 3,121 rands 69 cents. Thanks for watching. Bye.